She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi Island family.
Wagwan.
Welcome back, tribe. This is your girl Maria.
And the island boy Africa.
And
little baby Island.
say hi Island. Do we wave to people today, Island? So Island's not well, guys. We figured out that it's not COVID, but it's all his teeth that are coming up at once.
Yeah.
So he's got a little bit of fever and things, guys, a runny nose.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, we put it down to that, but also he did have a bug from school. I think it was from school.
So all of that
a gastro
together.
thing. So all together is a combination of symptoms. And anyways, guys, today is Saturday and we are going out to pick up some stuff. But also, Babe has a new invention. But not his invention.
Not my invention.
It was created before his time, I think.
Yeah.
Before any of our times.
Yeah.
But Babe, you want to explain?
Yeah, guys. So today we added a fishing magnet. You understand? And most people probably be like, what? Fishing magnet? But basically we use it for fishing, guys. And it's not to catch fish, you know, but it's actually called magnet fishing, right? So what we're gonna do today, guys, is be searching for items like anything that, I mean, basically magnet attracts metal, right? So we'll be searching for treasures, right? Put it at that. You see me? Possible we can find gold, even though gold is not attracted to magnet and all that, but you know, there's ways it might can come on to it and all that. But we're searching for anything possible we can find because it's a big trend on YouTube to do magnet fishing. You see it, so yeah. You guys want to see that?
So you guys, you have to stay tuned to see all of that goodness if you want to keep watching us. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And to all the oldies, big up yourselves. We love yous.
Yeah, man.
Big hearts out to you all. Island, kisses? No kisses? Okay. Anyways, big up, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, DJ Ziv. So guys, on our way, it's pure landslide.
Yeah, it's been raining so much.
Yeah, that's right.
Those trees look like they're gonna fall down.
Yeah. And we just see a sign that says Cuyahoga Road closed, but we're not sure if it's really active right now or what.
Oh, see that car?
Yeah.
How fast is it coming around that corner? The view is amazing. If only if it was a sunny day we could do a drone footage out there, but it's so cloudy. You can't see them. I love how those trees like kind of overgrass the...
Grow over the trees.
Yeah. Like a wild bush. Very, very sharp roads here, guys. A couple of cars fell down there.
Really?
I had to put a fence. Yeah, like a fencing.
Wow. Yeah. The view up here, guys, is spectacular. Wow, look at that. red dirt, guys. Landslide. Crazy rainfall out in them places, man. So this is pure bushland we're driving through, guys. Falling and all that.
Yeah. What are you talking about? What are you doing? Chocho. Ashukuli.
That mountain, maybe? Barely. I can't really see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, guys. Landslide road, very quick. So we're in like a valley, right?
Yeah. Wow, look at the water. So dirty.
Oh, look at this tree, babe. Massive.
Wow. Do you reckon that was planted there or it just sort of like came in the water?
I wonder. Yeah,
wonder too.
you can tell, guys, water swept through this place from the floods.
Oh, Shuli, the cows. Wow, you can tell.
Yeah, water
for real.
swept through here.
Disaster. Absolutely.
Big potholes and all that. This guava tree right here, guys, it's loaded.
Oh yeah. Can we pick some?
Let's see.
Huh?
It's outside the property.
Yeah. That's alright.
It's loaded. Heaps a ripe one. Yeah. It might be wormy. Not sure. It is. Heaps, guys. All of them are like ripe. Guava for days. This is the first I come here and see so much guava on a tree. Yeah. Usually all the trees that I see just empty. Yeah. But when I get shot today, you know, people property. Yeah, that don't feel good. Alrighty. Ooh, it's a bit muddy out here, guys.
So guys, we just had a bite.
Yeah.
Nice, baby.
Yeah, it's noise. Trying to focus. Yeah, noise.
Simple things in life, guys.
Yeah, man.
It's a guan.
First, me I pick a guava from Australia. Eat it off the tree, you know? Think that the first me I eat one since we've been here.
No, you've eaten one at my dad's, I think.
Oh, yeah, true. My first one is me I pick.
Yeah, you picked it.
Yeah. Noise.
So we just finally got here after all those beautiful sceneries that we just seen. And now we're gonna go pick up Babe's hard drive that he ordered online.
Yeah.
And then I'm picking up a steam, like a upholstery cleaner, so it cleans your lounges and things. Because as you all know, Bobo was sick, and so he kind of vomited on the carpet a little bit. So I'm gonna steam clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
And there's little island boy.
Bobo. Say hi.
Now he says hi.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go, guys.
Oh gosh. Island boy. So guys, it's almost Easter and we have the Easter bunny. Alan, do you want to grab something? And get some chocolate eggs from the Easter bunny. I'm not sure. No, they just came. No, that's alright. You can pick one, Alan. No, pick it. Island. He wants. Wow, Island. Look.
Chocolate egg.
Island, you gonna have one? Oh, he got scared. Island, do you want an egg?
We're at a time zone right now, so we just decided we're going to spend a bit of time here and have a game. So first up is bowling. Let's do this.
Wow, okay.
Oh, nice.
Scared. Go, Island. Go, Island. Go it. Yay! So, guys, Babe beat me 96 and I won 97. I mean, sorry. I'm lying. So Babe beat me 96 points to 71. There you go. Alright, next game. Yay! Alright, we're playing basketball. Let's go. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, I'll hold him. I'll hold him. Alright, boy, you gonna have a go? He wants to throw.
I'm gonna go take the first one.
You take the first one. Ready? Gonna throw it. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 1, 2, 3, go! No. Wow, go Dad! Wow, go Dad! He keeps getting him in. Look at Dad, Island!
Baby's going at it, guys. What? 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 Oh.
Start. Accelerate. Are you serious? Accelerate the handle. Oh my gosh. Big kid, Daddy. Look at Dad. Go, babes. Big kid, Daddy. Look, Dad. Look at that. Oh, Daddy. What do you say, Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I drive through junction, isn't it?
Huh? Yeah. 10th place.
I didn't get it right at first, so.
So we're on our way back home.
Yeah.
Well, going to do Babe's magnet fishing somewhere off a bridge.
Yeah.
To give that a try. But we just thought, hey, we haven't sang Island Song in a very long time.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, let's sing it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Island is a boy that loves to play. An island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to run. An island is a boy that loves to sing. Island, 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 island. Island, 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 island. Hooray! Yeah, it's your island boy! Woo! Gigi boss!
Gigi la Bigi.
You
Love you, Bubble. You're not saying nothing because you're teething and he's in a mood, guys. He's in a mood.
My Bubba, my Bubba, my Bubba, yeah. My Bubba, he will get you in a trouble. Ooh, oh, ooh, yeah. My Bubba is trouble and a rubber and a double.
Woo! There you go, guys.
Yeah.
So, gotta keep my eye on the road right now.
So here we go, guys. Magnet fishing. Wow. Always see these things on videos. First time I'm gonna be trying this. Yep, this is heavy. Really heavy. Feel it, babe?
Hi, guys.
It's like right there.
Wow.
Yeah,
Nice.
nice. Have the rope here. The gloves. And what is this? This is thread locker. Over tight. What is this exactly? I'm not sure, but gonna have to figure it out. Removal fasteners. Okay. Interesting.
Interesting. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out anyway. Yeah, and this is it's like a grab hook, how we call like a creeper in Jamaica.
So this is magnet as well?
Is it? I doubt it. Yeah, it basically would help to, for example, you find something, or you can just throw it randomly.
No, it is a magnet.
Is it?
I think it is. Because why don't they open?
Why do they open? Alright, so we're gonna figure this out.